Have you ever felt like you're just grinding away, working tirelessly without a break? That's exactly what the English idiom "keep one's nose to the grindstone" is all about. Learning common idioms like this can really boost your English communication skills. Let me tell you a funny story about a student who took this idiom a bit too literally. One day, poor Samantha was so focused on her work that she actually pressed her nose against the classroom sharpener, thinking that's what the idiom meant. Needless to say, her classmates had a good laugh. So, what does "keep one's nose to the grindstone" actually mean? It's a figurative expression that refers to working hard and diligently, without taking breaks or getting distracted. The grindstone is an old tool used for sharpening blades. And keeping your nose close to it means you're fully focused on the task at hand. Let's see how this idiom is used correctly. Imagine your boss asks you to complete a big project by the end of the week. You know you need to keep your nose to the grindstone and work overtime to get it done on time. Your dedication and hard work pay off, and you impress your boss with the final result. Here are some examples of how you can use "keep one's nose to the grindstone" in different contexts. In a casual conversation, "I've been keeping my nose to the grindstone all week to finish that report." In a formal setting, the team has been keeping their noses to the grindstone to meet the tight deadline. In a negative context, she's been so focused on work that she's neglected her personal life. She really needs to take a break from the grindstone. In a humorous context, with his face practically pressed against the computer screen, he's really keeping his nose to the grindstone today. In a literary context, the protagonist toiled away, keeping her nose to the grindstone, determined to achieve her goals. In a business setting, our employees have been keeping their noses to the grindstone. And it's really paying off in terms of productivity. On social media, "Spent the whole weekend keeping my nose to the grindstone, time for a break." To help you remember the meaning of "keep one's nose to the grindstone," think of a person with their face pressed against a grinding wheel, completely focused on their work. This visual image can serve as a useful memory aid. Now, let's explore some fun facts about this idiom. The origins of "keep one's nose to the grindstone" can be traced back to the 16th century, when manual labor and hard work were highly valued. The idiom reflects the cultural belief that diligence and perseverance are key to success, while "keep your nose to the grindstone" is the standard form. Some people might use slight variations in informal contexts. The idiom has been used in various literary works over the years, reflecting its enduring relevance. There are several idioms and phrases that are similar to or related to "keep one's nose to the grindstone." Similar: buckle down, stick to it, apply oneself diligently. Opposite: take a break, slack off, procrastinate. Related: hard at work, toil away, put in the hours. Let's try rephrasing the idiom in a different way. Original: "I've been keeping my nose to the grindstone all week to finish this project." Rephrased: "I've been working tirelessly all week to complete this project." The meaning remains the same, but using the idiom adds a more vivid and descriptive element to the sentence. Here's a real-life story that shows how effective using the idiom "keep one's nose to the grindstone" can be. My colleague, Sarah, was feeling overwhelmed by a tight deadline for an important presentation. When I asked how she was doing, she said, "I'm just keeping my nose to the grindstone, trying to get everything done on time." This immediately conveyed the sense of her hard work and dedication, and I was able to offer her some encouragement and support. Let's go over some common mistakes and how to avoid them when using the idiom "keep one's nose to the grindstone." Grammatical mistake: saying "keep my nose to the grindstones" instead of "keep my nose to the grindstone." The idiom is singular, not plural. Meaning misunderstanding, thinking the idiom means literally pressing your nose against a grinding tool. Like poor Samantha did. Inappropriate context, using the idiom in a situation where it doesn't quite fit, like saying, I kept my nose to the grindstone while on vacation. The idiom is better suited for work or task-oriented contexts. Now, let's test your understanding with a quick quiz. 1. What is the meaning of the idiom keep one's nose to the grindstone? A. Work hard and diligently. B. Take a break from work. C. Procrastinate on a task. Correct answer, A. 2. Which of these is a synonymous expression to keep one's nose to the grindstone? A. Slack off. B. Buckle down. C. Take it easy. Correct answer, B. 3. Which of these is an antonymous expression to keep one's nose to the grindstone? A. Toil and labor. B. Sweat equity. C. Take a break. Correct answer, C. In summary, keep one's nose to the grindstone is a common English idiom that refers to working hard and diligently, without taking breaks or getting distracted. Understanding the meaning and proper usage of this idiom can really boost your English communication skills. Now it's your turn. Share your own experiences with using this idiom in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more English idiom lessons. One more thing, try using the idiom in a sentence of your own. It's a great way to reinforce what you've learned today.